The easiest way to take a screenshot on a Windows device is you use the snipping tool. To do this, you go down to the bottom left-hand corner of the taskbar, then look up snip. So we're going to select the snipping tool. Then in the new window, you've got two options which I recommend. The first is if you select down is the rectangle snip. So if you select the rectangular snip, you can highlight the section of screen you want to screenshot. And this is really great if you want to take a particular area like such as a profile picture. And then the last one, which I really think is great, is you select the mode again, then you go to Windows Snip. Then all you do is you select the new, and then you select anywhere on the screen, and it captures it. Once you're happy with the screenshot, all you can do then is you go File, Save As, and then save it somewhere on your desktop as a PNG file. The only downside to the snipping tool is there's no scrolling window option. So if you're looking for a snipping tool, there are really great options where you have to pay for them. Otherwise, the snipping tool is really great for screenshotting.